Today, I want to share one of my favorite comfort foods with you. Over the years, I developed and constantly refined my own spice blend that I call Döner Spice Mix. It's what gives the vegan döner its incredibly authentic flavor. I'll show you the full spice mix recipe at the end of the video. There are 3 versions of vegan döner that I cook regularly, and since I couldn't decide which one to show you, you're getting all 3. All versions are extremely high in protein and packed with flavor. For the perfect döner, 3 elements matter most. First, the bread. It holds everything together and can be thick or thin, crispy or soft, round, flat, or quartered. Depending on where you live, it can be hard to find vegan döner bread. So I'll show you a quick 5-ingredient version you can bake in under 30 minutes. Second, the sauce. Sauces play a huge role in döner. Each one has its own character and strongly shapes the overall flavor. I'll show you 4 of my favorite sauces. And third, of course, the vegan döner meat, made incredibly authentic and flavorful with my Döner Spice mix. So let's start building your perfect vegan döner. I'll show you the different versions, and you can decide which one becomes your favorite.